Okay guys, so you saw my review on the Vevor, the open box review, and you also saw the open box review on the Allatop. So what we're going to do here is we're going to do a head-to-head test to see which one will pump air faster and which one will come up on top. So this here is the Vevor and this here is the Allatop. So let's try this one first to establish how many minutes it'll take with this to pump up my 37-inch tires from flat, 0 psi, all the way to 32 psi. Let's do that with both of this, okay? Both of these. So let's go and do it. Okay folks, so these are my 37 by 12.5 by 17-inch tires. As you can see, they are very, very flat. I consider this 0 psi. They're basically flat on the ground on all sides. So what we're gonna do here is we are gonna let this thing pump up my tires. I'm gonna turn this thing on. So right away, that thing is reading 9.4 psi, and that's how much psi it's putting into the tires. So let's see what happens. So at 6 minutes 30 seconds, the head here is still warm. It's warm to the touch. Handle here is full, and this is irritatingly warm. It's hot. This is hot too. So we're looking at right now at 18 psi, 6 minutes 59 seconds. So 20 psi at 8 minutes and 16 seconds. So here it's 25 psi at 11 minutes and 30 seconds. And it's still, the compressor, the Allatop compressor still sounds happy. It's like it's not even working hard. So here we at 30 psi at 14 minutes and 54 seconds. The manifold there is really hot. You don't want to touch it with your bare hand. So we are at 32 psi. See, when I turn it off, it comes down to 30 psi. So that's basically 30 psi. But going to 32 psi, that's 16 minutes and 18 seconds. So that's pretty fast for a single stage or single piston compressor. Now let's try the Vevor and see how many minutes we get. So remember, with the Allatop, we get 16 minutes and 18 seconds, and at 30 psi, once we turn it off, it comes. Okay guys, so as you can see, everything is set up. This is the Vevor, and nothing is kinked. You look at here, the tires are pretty flat on the ground. I consider that 0 psi. And it's like that on all sides. So the goal here is to see how fast this unit pumps all four of my tires from 0 to 32 psi. Guys, again, the tire size is 37 by 12.5 by 17. So here we go, guys. So at 2 minutes and 17 seconds, and I'm pumping at 9.5 psi. At 9 minutes and 1 second, that's 17.5 psi. I can tell you, those hoses are hot right now. So right now it's almost at 25 psi. Let's see. It's 24.9. Okay, 25 psi at 15 minutes and 2 seconds. So 7 more minutes to go. So the head is not hot, but the manifold there is pretty hot. What I'm afraid of is that I might blow the hose here out because of the heat, in that the heat might melt the hose and it might just blow off. And right now, the machine, it has a different tone to it. Like it's struggling a little bit. Yeah, the machine sounds different now. It doesn't sound like it's happy, but as you can see, it's been running about 17 seconds right now, and it's got 27.3 psi in it already. So this is sort of like a torture test, bringing 0 psi tires all the way to 32 psi, especially on a 37-inch tire like this. It's like a torture test on a single piston air compressor like this. But obviously right now, you can tell that the machine doesn't sound very happy. But still doing it. Right now it's 28 psi at 17 minutes and 38 seconds. So here we go. 30 psi at 19.19 minutes. So this thing is a little bit slower than the Allatop. And the noise coming from this one, it's just not happy. So 31 minutes, or 31 psi at 20 minutes and 12 seconds. Okay, so you can see 32 psi at 21 minutes and 5 seconds. Alright guys, so you saw that test. I'd like to get your opinion on these two items right here. So I'll let you know. This one, the Allatop, brings a 37-inch, well, a set of 37-inch tires from 0 to 32 psi at 16 minutes and 18 seconds. This one brings the same set of 37-inch tires from 0 psi to 32 psi at 21 minutes and 5 seconds. So obviously this is the quicker air compressor, and you can tell right off the bat when you turn these two machines on. You can tell that this thing is pumping out more air than this one. So which one would I recommend? It's all up to your budget. I'll be honest with you. eBay has these on sale for 89 bucks. So for 89 bucks, it can do that. Bring a set of 37-inch tire up from 0 psi to 32 psi. That's in 21 minutes. That's still pretty fast. And its duty cycle is 45 minutes at 40 psi. So this still can still run some more. However, with this unit right here, as it was reaching 32 psi, the noise that it was making, you could tell that it was not very happy, but it'll still pump. You could tell that it was struggling trying to get to 32, but still it was able to get to 32 with no issue. Now the thing is, the air coming out of here was really hot. The tip here was burning hot, and the manifold that I had it hooked up to was really hot. I couldn't even touch it. So, but the head remains cool. Okay, and I could hold it like this all day, and it won't even burn my hand. It's just the air coming out that was hot. So let's talk about this one right here. This one, I had no issue of it pumping out my tires. The air coming out of the pigtail here was hot, but not as hot as this one right here. This one right here, I like the fact that it has a purge valve here that if it pumps to a certain psi, it just bleeds off here. This is basically a copy of each other. This one does not have the purge valve here. This one does, and I could easily put one here easily. So yeah, this one I bought it for 89 bucks, and this one I bought it for 149 bucks. So it's all up to your choice, your budget. If you have a lower budget, you can't go wrong with this unit. If you have a little bit of a higher budget, try to get this one, the Allatop. It's no joke. Being these items being single piston, to me they are pretty fast. Just that this one is a little bit faster. It beats this one to 32 psi by 4 minutes. So yeah, this is pretty fast, the Allatop. So would I recommend both of these items to you? Yeah, I would. The question that I have, okay, is how long will they last in the field? And some can argue that, being that they're so cheap, if it breaks, throw it away, go buy a new one. Some can argue that, no, I want to get a better brand, maybe like an ARB, so that it won't break. That's up to you. But for me, like most folks, it is really up to your budget. So guys, let me know what your thoughts are. I really enjoying doing this video. Nobody's sponsoring me. If you like this video, please give me a like and subscribe. I'm not getting sponsored by anybody, any company. So yeah, I'm just doing this because I like doing this and it's fun. So who am I gonna give this to? Maybe I'll give this to my brother.